Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the KingCamp Heavy Duty Folding Outdoor Lawn Chair. This chair is amazing. Once again, KingCamp has set the standard for these outdoor chairs. I want you to look at this awesome feature, a built-in cooler in the armrest. Amazing. Look at that. That may be my favorite feature. I've never seen a chair with that. These chairs are built to last. They're very sturdy. They have heavy-duty steel frames, and they will support up to 300 pounds. You can see the quality of the build right here. They're very comfortable, and they have some padding. It's the type of chair that you can just sit in all day and be comfortable. This chair has a side cooler bag, a mesh cup holder, and an additional side storage pocket for things like keys, phones, wallets, etc. It's designed for comfort and convenience. I think you'll really like these KingCamp Oversized chairs. We love them, and it certainly makes our time in the outdoors more enjoyable.